Hello guys, Rizal here. In this video, I will show you how to get a free UK physical address. If you are looking for a free UK address, there are a few ways to go about it. Here are a few options. The first option is using a friend or family member's address. This is probably the easiest way to get a free UK address. Just ask a friend or family member if you can use their address and voila, you have got a free address. The second option is to use a free online forwarding service. There are a few different companies that offer this service, but the two most popular are My UK Mailbox and Snail Mailbox. With these two services, you can have your mail forwarded to your UK address for free. The third option is to use a free post office box service. This option is a bit more complicated than the others, but it is possible. Finally, if you are living outside the UK and need a UK physical address for your package to be forwarded to your home country, Forward to Me is the best option. It is cheap and reliable. I will share all the necessary links and information for you in the description section of this video. Make sure you check them out. That's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you soon.